Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Teller's TRB token, alright? And as always guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs and day trading and pretty much anything crypto related on a daily basis. So if you're into that sort of thing, might as well go ahead and give me a follow, you guys, because I'm only going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on. So, all right, guys. So for those of you who are new to my channel or new to these price prediction videos, I do these videos because I'm a long-term altcoin holder and I've been holding on to various altcoins for about almost 5 years now. And hey, this is the way that I have been doing things for, the last 4.5, 5 years now. And hey, it's worked out great for me so far. And these videos are mainly for people who hold for the long term, okay? Now, when I'm talking long term, guys, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm talking 3 years, maybe 5 years, maybe even 7 years down the road. This is a long-term investment, okay? So we are talking completely long-term here, you guys. All right, and I also do not use technical analysis for these because to me personally, guys, technical analysis is great for telling overall trends, up or down, for long-term use, 5, 7 years down the road, but you really can't get a general idea of where a potential number could be for an actual price prediction. So we're going to try to figure that out today. So guys, Teller is currently ranked number 552 on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently trading at $22.78 at the time of me filming this video right now, with a market cap of $52.2 million and a circulating supply of 2.29, actually almost 2.3 million tokens, all right? And it does, in the volume in the last 24 hours, there's been roughly almost $15 million, flowing through it in the last 24 hours. So it's definitely a popular project that's definitely getting some love on a daily basis. So that's awesome. That's nice to see. Clearly, as we can see, you guys, this project is built on Ethereum as well. Now, when we look at past price data, let's see what we got here. So as we can tell you guys, this coin has been around, or actually the data for this coin has been around ever since November of 2019. So it's been around for, I'm filming this, towards mid-January of 2022. So it's been around for a good, 19, 20, 21, 22, almost like, about 2 years or so, a little over 2 years so far. And it has had a pretty significant all-time high already. As we can see here, you guys, it has had an all-time high back in May. And let's see what that all-time high was. The all-time high was, holy cow. All right, so the all-time high for this coin was actually $163. And when we look at the price right now, you guys, it's at $22.87. So clearly, guys, if it can go to $163 once, it can definitely do it again at some point in time. That's for sure. I mean, again, we're talking long-term here, you guys. We're not talking a 6 to 12-month hold. We're talking a long-term investment here. So we are going to see if it can potentially go higher than that. So, but I want to first see what the potential market cap was when it went to $163, because I'm kind of curious about that. So we'll take the circulating supply, obviously, 0.02, and then we will go ahead and multiply that by 163.76 times 163.76, and it probably had a market cap of probably had a market cap of roughly around $375 million or so. And honestly, you guys, that's pretty darn low, okay? When you have a coin like this that has a low supply with a low market cap, it's got a lot of potential for some serious upside price action. It really does. Me personally, you guys, in the long term, I don't see any reason why a coin like this or a project like this couldn't potentially reach a goal of, minimum. I mean, I'm talking minimum here, you guys, a minimum of a market cap of $500 million, okay? So obviously we're going to see where a potential, where the potential price could be if it went to, if the market cap reached $500 million at some point in time in the future. So we're going to figure that out right now. All right, guys, so we are going to take, the circulating supply, obviously. Actually, we're going to go ahead and take, just for shits and giggles and just to be on the safe side rather than the sorry side, we're going to go ahead and use the overall total supply for this, okay? So let's say the total supply is circulating, okay? Let's say we got the total supply circulating just for fun here, and there's a total supply, and it reaches, if the total supply is circulating, and then we multiply it by, the number it was just at, so $163. So $163 we're going to come out with a market cap of roughly $388 million. Okay, so obviously you can go a lot higher than that, you guys. So we're going to figure this out. So 2383,733. We're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply by 200 and see what that comes out to. So $200, still lower than than my overall prediction of where I think it could go is at $500 million in the long term. So we'll go ahead and we'll try $210. Okay, so we'll take that number again, 2383,733. We'll go ahead and multiply by 210. And we've got roughly the number I'm looking for, you guys. That is the number I'm looking for. That is huge, guys. That is enormous price potential right there, you guys. So $500 million market cap, okay? We've got that's with the total supply circulating, okay? Now, if it reaches $210 someday, which I don't see why it couldn't, obviously it's right here on the screen. I mean, you can see it, how easily possible it is in the long term. Hey, that's some pretty darn good return on your investment. So we're going to see what your return on your investment would be if you were to invest, like let's say $10,000 into this project, okay? So let's say we invest $10,000, okay, today, right now, this very second time. We're going to divide it by $22.87. And guys, we're going to come out with 437.25 tokens, okay? So 437.25. Oops, not 24, 25. We're going to go ahead, guys, and we're going to go ahead and multiply this by, actually, I'm not even going to use decimal points. I'm just going to use 437, okay? It's just easier. So 437, and we're going to go ahead and multiply this by 210, okay? So we're going to come out with $91,000, you guys. So out of, for holding on for the long term with very little risk involved whatsoever, because, I mean, that's the whole point of holding on long term is, very minimal risk whatsoever. You don't have to deal with the potential losses of day trading or anything like that. So realistically, you guys, if you hold this for the long term and it reaches that market cap level someday, you're going to come out with a good solid $80,000 profit. And this is just one coin that you're invested in for the long term. Imagine having 20 plus other coins that you're invested in for the long term. I mean, the profit potential is realistically very high here. So honestly, you guys, overall, my long-term price prediction for Teller's TRB token is going to be $210, okay? So guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.